Join us today as we create super simple mini cheesecake pies. These delicious treats are perfect for get-togethers, holidays, and of course, Pie Day. In this video, we will make strawberry cheesecake pies, but this recipe can be tweaked to make many variations. More on that at the end. You will need a few simple ingredients and baking supplies: a 24-count mini muffin pan, a 24-count package of sugar cookie dough, an 8-ounce container of whipped cream cheese, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 small container of strawberries, a paring knife and cutting board, and a mixing bowl. Start by baking the cookies. Place 1 cookie into each section of the mini muffin pan and bake according to the package instructions and your oven settings. Using a silicone muffin pan can be very helpful, as it allows you to pop out the cookies more easily once they're baked. While the cookies are baking, wash the strawberries and chop them into small pieces. After preparing the fruit, make the cream cheese filling. In a mixing bowl, combine the 8-ounce container of whipped cream cheese with 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Once the cookies have cooled completely, gently remove them from the muffin pan. Next, fill the cookies with the cream cheese mixture. A convenient method is to place the cream cheese mixture in a large zip-closed bag, snip off one of the corners, and use it as a piping bag. Finally, top each filled cookie with the chopped strawberries. Voila! You now have adorable mini cheesecake pies that are perfect for any occasion. If you're not serving them right away, be sure to store them in the refrigerator. This recipe is versatile and easy to customize. Feel free to experiment with different cookie doughs and toppings. One of our recent favorites is a chocolate cookie crust topped with cherry pie filling. For more recipe adjustments and suggestions, visit our blog at fieldtriptx.com. You can find the link to this activity in the description. Thanks for watching!